Hello my dears, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Master Samang. Today too I am going to offer you a new video. This video is also reflections on last two occasions. I have released two videos, reflection 1 and reflection 2, and today video is also reflection. In the last video we discussed how to reflect on the reflecting the axis and the lines parallel to axis. Today we are going to look at how figures are reflected in the lines that are not parallel to axis. Otherwise, how to reflect in slant lines. Now, if you go to the video straight away, now this line is not parallel to any of the axes. This line also is not parallel to any of the axes. Now we will see how this triangle ABC can be reflected in this line. If the line is the line of reflection is an axis or a line parallel to axis, by joining the corresponding object point to the image points, we could draw a straight line perpendicular to the line of reflection. But in this instance, where the line of reflection is a slant line, otherwise a line not parallel to any of the axes, we can't draw a line from the object point through the line of reflection along any of the lines of this graph paper parallel to the line of reflection. But it was not like that in the reflections in the axis or lines parallel to axis. We could draw a line, straight line along the line of the graph paper itself from the object point to the image point parallel to the line of perpendicular to the line of reflection. But in this case we can't do like that. We can't draw any line on the lines of the graph paper itself from this point, this object point, perpendicular to the line of reflection. Now if you are going to reflect this triangle in this line, now if you draw there is this line from the object point C to the line of reflection, but this line is not perpendicular to this line of reflection because there is no 90-degree angle here. Now again another line from C is this, going to the line of reflection, but that line does not make any 90-degree angles with the line of reflection. Therefore this is also not perpendicular to the line of reflection. Any line from the point C, any straight line from the object point C perpendicular to the line of reflection will be something like this, roughly. But there is no such a line on the graph paper itself. There is a way of getting that line perpendicular from C to the line of reflection by construction. We will discuss that later. Now, but without any construction, even though there are no lines of the graph paper from object point to the line of reflection perpendicular, we can use these lines on the graph paper itself to get the image points of these object points. That is done like this. Now see, if you want to get the image point of C, now you can see a line from C to the line of reflection, this line. Then look at this angle. Then on the other side of the line of reflection, with this angle itself, there's another line of the graph paper, this line on the of the graph paper comes to the line of reflection to this point, where this line from the point of object point itself intersected the line of reflection. Then these two angles are equal. Therefore, image of this point lies on this line. How far from the line of reflection does the image of this lie? This much far. Therefore, take the distance this much from this point along this line. This is the point. This is image C dash. Then we look at how to get the point B. From point B, this line of the graph paper goes to the line of reflection. On the other side of the line of reflection, the line of the graph paper that comes to this point itself on the line of reflection is this line. Now look at the angle between this one and this one. Angle between the line of reflection and this line and line of reflection and this line. These two angles, they are equal. Therefore, this image of this one will lie on this line. Then how far from the right line of reflection is this far, this distance. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. This is the point. Image of B lies on this line, this much far from the line of reflection. Now image of A. Now to find image of A, again find the line of the graph paper passing through A and meeting the line of reflection, this one, at this point. Then on the other side, what is the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at this point itself? This line. This line. Now look at the angles. This angle and this angle. They are equal. Then image of A lies on this line. How far from the line of reflection? This far. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 units away from this line of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. This is the image of A dash. Right, that is how you draw the image. This is the image of this triangle after it is reflected on this line. Now we will look at this PQR triangle. Now in this PQR triangle, point P, we will get the image of point P first. P is here. Then line of the graph paper from P to line of reflection is this. On the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection is this line. This line. Then this angle equal this angle. That angle, equality of those two angles are very important. No? Equality of these two angles is quite important. Then image of this P lies on this line, this distance away from the line of reflection. Right, then see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. P dash. Now Q. Line of the graph paper passing through Q and meeting the line of reflection is this. On the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this line y axis. Then this angle and this angle both are the same, therefore the image of Q lies on this line at this distance from this point. Now how much? 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 here. This is the point, that is Q dash. Right. Now R. Now line of the graph paper passing through R and meeting the line of reflection is this. Then on the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then look at the two angles on either side of the line of reflection, this one and this one, they are equal. Therefore image of R lies on this line this much away from the line of reflection, then this much away from this point of intersection. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is the point. Then this will be R dash. Now we can draw the image. Right, that is the image of triangle PQR after it is reflected in this line. Now go to this triangle, reflect this also in the same line of reflection. Now point V, we will try to find the image point of point V. Now the line of the graph paper passing through V and meeting the line of reflection at this point is this. On the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this. Now look at the angle between these two lines and these two lines, they are the same. Therefore image of V must lie on this line at this much distance, here 2, here also 2, here V1, V dash. Then go to T, line of the graph paper passing through T and meeting the line of reflection is this line. It meets at this point line of reflection. Then on the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then again angle between this line and line of reflection, angle between this line and they are equal. Therefore image of T must lie on this line. How much distance away from the point of intersection? 1 2 3 4 units. Then count 4 units along this line here, T dash. Then again U, look at U. Now line of the graph paper passing through U and the meeting the line of reflection is this line. It meets the line of reflection at this point. On the other side, the line of the graph paper meeting the line of reflection at the same point is this line. Then look at this angle and this angle, they are equal. Therefore the image of U lies on this line at how much distance? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 units from this point. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here we found. Right, that is how you reflect on in slant lines, otherwise the lines not parallel to axis. Then today's video ends with that. We will look at further examples of these reflections of shapes or figures in the lines which are not parallel to axis in a different video very soon. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.